Hey, Ginormousfunnybunny, does this make sense to you? Okay, tell me the truth, honestly. Why does this basement smell like a basement? It doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, it does. It's because it's a basement.
No. Hello, is anybody up there? It's not a basement. God. Hey, I'm Peplonia, and this is my best friend,
Ginormousfunnybunny, but there is no time for that.
What?
The British are coming. The British are coming.
The British?
Quick, eat this.
I wasn't even hungry, and that tasted disgusting.
Cheese it. They're coming to eat your children, your flowers.
I don't have children.
Hey! Oh, food? Mountain lions are coming.
What? It smells so... It's pasta, and it smells... It smells like pasta. It smells like pasta!
Guys, there's someone on line 6, and they said it's really urgent. Something about a sick family member.
Tell them we gotta go.
You got poop?
Yeah.
Okay. They gotta poop. Why do you want to know if it's shocking?
Not pasta. It's not pasta.
It is so.
No, it's not. My God. Let's go in.
Wait, time out.
Why is this basement?
Really? Cut it out, keep going. It's pasta. Guys,
not.
an urgent message. Someone's online.